Hello बच्चों, today we will learn about types of reactions. So let's get started. Broadly, reactions are of 5 types: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and lastly oxidation and reduction reaction. Today, we will study the first 2 types of reaction, that is combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Combination reaction. As the name suggests, in combination reaction, 2 or more substances combine to form a single product. Let's see the definition. When 2 or more substances, can be elements or compounds, combine to form a single product, the reaction is called combination reaction. Let's understand this with few examples. Here in the first example, we can see carbon combines with oxygen and gives carbon dioxide gas. One more thing children, here I have written the physical state in the bracket. Carbon is a solid, so small s for solid, G for gas, for oxygen and carbon dioxide I have written G because they are gases. Now carbon combines with oxygen and gives a single product, that is carbon dioxide gas. Here in the second example, we can see hydrogen combines with oxygen and gives water. Okay. Hydrogen and oxygen both are gases, so G, and water is liquid, so small l. So again this is a combination reaction. Okay, molecules of elements are combining to form molecule of a compound, one single. Okay, now let's move on to the next, that is decomposition reaction. It is just the reverse of combination reaction. That is, when a single substance breaks and gives 2 or more products, it is known as decomposition reaction. Now let's see the definition. When a single reactant breaks down to give simpler products, the reaction is called decomposition reaction. Let's understand with the help of examples. The first example here is calcium carbonate breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Breaks in when it is heated. Okay. So this symbol is of heat, this triangle. Here you can write this triangle or you can just write the word heat. So calcium carbonate, when heated, we get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So from one single reactant, how many products are we getting? We are getting 2 products. So this is a decomposition reaction. This is an important decomposition reaction because this is used in various industries. This calcium oxide here formed, it is known as lime or quicklime. It is of great use. It is used in industry like in cement industry, making bleaching powder, porcelain, and also in glass industry. Here, since we have used heat, okay, such kind of a decomposition reaction is known as thermal decomposition reaction. What do we call this? Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal means heat, thermal decomposition reaction. Now, let's see the second example. Second example is one single reactant, that is H2O, water, breaks into 2 products, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Now this breaking of water takes place in the presence of electric current. Okay, so over the this arrow we will write electric current. Okay, here I have less space, so it's going out, but it should come over the arrow only. Now, since it's taking place in presence of electric current, such a decomposition reaction is known as what? Is known as electrolysis. Electrolysis. Now, this word electrolysis has we can break it into 2 words, electro and lysis. Now, electro means electric current. Okay, from that it has come. Lysis means breaking. Okay, so here breaking down of water is taking place in presence of H2 and O2. Now see this diagram. It's given in your NCERT book also. Now hydrogen gas and oxygen will collect here on the two different electrodes. To this water, some amount of dilute sulfuric acid is also added to make the process fast. As you know, pure water is a bad conductor of electricity. So some amount of hydrochloric acid, dilute sulfuric acid or any acid is added to make the process fast and make it a good conductor of electricity. Now, let's move on to the third example. Here, the third example is silver chloride. Okay, breaks into silver and chlorine gas, silver metal. Now, how many reactant? One single reactant, and how many products? Two products. Now, this reaction also needs energy. That energy is given by sunlight. It happens in presence of sunlight. This sunlight helps in the breaking of silver chloride, which is white in color, into metallic silver, which is gray in color. Okay. Since light is used for this breaking down of silver chloride, this process is known as photochemical decomposition. Okay. Photo. It is photochemical decomposition. Photo means light. So this type of decomposition which happens in presence of light energy is known as photochemical decomposition. So we can say decomposition reaction is of three different types. Thermal decomposition when it takes place in presence of heat. Electrolysis when it takes place in the presence of breaking down of one single reactant takes place in presence of electric current, okay, into two or more product is known as electrolysis, and one single reactant when it breaks into two or more products in presence of sunlight, it is known as photochemical decomposition. Thank you, Bachcho, for watching Science Euphoria. Tomorrow I'll be back with the remaining three different types of reaction. Do like, share and subscribe Science Euphoria. Bye bye for now. Happy learning.